Journey Behind the Falls. Amo ni ang official name sang tunnel sa idalom sang Niagara Falls. The kwan ini sa Table Rock Center there is a Horseshoe Falls sa Canadian side. Open ini whole year round. Okay? So, ining duwa ka tunnel, they extend approximately mga 46 meters sa likod sang waterfall. Kag makakuan ang mga visitors to view the mga tubig nga nagahagunos sa front as we witnessed earlier. So, it's like front sang open nga kuweba nga entrance. So, ining attraction nga ni maka daw portal sa edge. Earlier in the attraction's history, visitors were permitted far closer to the portal edge. So, ginaalaw pa wala pa siyang barandilya nga to. Pwede ka pa kapalapit dito gid. However, ang erosion on the sang gorge itself left these areas with insufficient rock remaining on the sides, and new tunnels were built farther back. Barricades now exist farther back from the ledge at the end of the tunnel to ensure visitor safety. Ganito mo sa tayo? Picture ko ano kung hindi tagal mo sa tayo? Oo. Oo, sa dalom kita sang fall. Minchar ko, di rin na tama sakay. Minchar ko, dito na tama sakay. Ginaulat-ulat ko ang baruto kung...
Ang pasakay, lain naman itong ride.
Lain man niya?
Amo ning journey behind the falls.
Di, balik na ta?
No, lang tao, may observation deck sila. Ang basa ka gito.
Di, hindi na tayo kakwan. Hindi na tayo...
Pasakay man tagani.
Scary. The tunnel. It's a tunnel, yeah?
maayong aga sa tanan sa Ilonggo, maayong buntag sa Cebuano or Bisaya, or magandang umaga kung sa Tagalog. What a beautiful day. Right now, we are seeing the beautiful view of Niagara Falls. So this is how it is, and this is the what is this? Horseshoe Falls. Kasi yung Niagara Falls, tatlo yan. Okay? And the largest one we are seeing right now in front of us is the Horseshoe Falls, which is on the Canadian side in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And the other two, the smaller one, ang tinatawag nila na American Falls, at ang the third one is the Bridalveil Falls, is located across the river sa American side, sa America, because what we are seeing across the river ay yung mga building America na yan, Buffalo, New York. So we are in the Canada side. Ang naga-divide nga border between the two countries is the Niagara River. So ito yung ang Niagara Falls in the morning. Kagigising lang ni Nonong and parang hindi masama ang pakiramdam dahil parang napagod yesterday nung pumasok kami sa tunnel, underground tunnel sa Niagara Falls. So, para masama ang pakiramdam, usually hindi naman siya ganito pag gumising. Ayan siya. Parang walang sigla. But anyway, later on, makarecover na yan. And we are preparing to go down para mag-almusal dahil hindi maganda rito ang restaurant. Okay, parang hindi namin kursunada itong Marriott restaurant dito. They serve also breakfast, but we prefer to go out and look for a nicer restaurant. So bababa kami at saka maghanap ng magagandang kainan. Now right now is not that busy off season, kaya hindi masyado madamo tao diri sa sa Niagara Falls. And yung aming room sa Marriott Hotel, I think we are on the 20th floor or 25th floor. Magandang view right sa harap mismo ng Niagara Falls. So napakaganda. This is our second day. Yesterday we arrived from Chicago. Nag-drive kami. And then nagpasyal-pasyal kagad. And then yun na, tapos pagod, medyo kapoy-tanan. And even si Noah parang may lagnat, may sakit. So yan, ikot-ikot. Bali ito yung downtown ng Niagara. So kung bumaba ka doon is the fall already, ang main pa nila. So yan ang view ng downtown ng Niagara. Yan, building, dikik, siguro embassy, hotel. Pero doon kami sa sa Marriott Hotel, sa tabi niyan. Pero yan, I think this is a TGIF. Thank God it's Friday restaurant. Right sa top of the building. So magandang view. Again, eto na, yan. Nakikita mong bird's eye view ng place. So bali ito, ayun ang Marriott. Okay, yan ang hotel namin. Okay, now that is the Niagara River. Now, itong Niagara River, this was formed before yung last ice age. Okay? Yung natunaw na mga glacier nagforma sa lake area ng tubig, and they cut up this river. Itong Niagara nga. Okay? So, bali yun ang pinanggalingan ng tubig nito, yung glacier. Thousands, million years ago nang natunaw. Ang tawag niya kanila glaciation age or the last ice age. So yung building na doon all the way na sa kabila ng river, Amerika na yan. Buffalo, New York na yan. So yun ang sinasabi ko kanina, and we can see the river. I think that is the American Fall, if I'm not mistaken. May isa pa dyan na Bridalveil. And hindi natin makita yung Friendship Bridge that connect America to Canada. Okay? Yan. Masarap dito pa ang
Can I have coffee too?
breakfast. And usual, my favorite is pancake and coffee. That's a perfect breakfast for me. So, yun ang aming ikot-ikot dito. Then after this, I think tomorrow, we're gonna drive back to Chicago. Drive lang. Pero dito na kami dadaan sa Buffalo, New York. Kasi nung papunta kami from Chicago to Toronto, to Niagara, doon kami dumaan sa Detroit, Michigan. Okay? Parang inikot namin, nag-ikot kami. Okay?